Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make audio with text in CapCut PC. Right, so you can add text and default text and change for the text. For example, and to make this text as an audio, you can go to text to speech and select the sound that you like. For example, for the American male,
How you can make audio from texts in CapCut.
right? And just click Start in. Here's the audio, and you can add the video that you want to edit.
How you can make audio from texts in CapCut.
So
How you can make audio from texts in CapCut.
I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.